Happy morning, students. Today we are going to learn reported speech. Reported speech is direct and indirect speech. In direct speech, we use
the exact words of the speaker in direct speech. And we retell what the speaker has said in our own words in indirect speech. Do you understand? Let's see the rules of direct and indirect speech. The things that we have to concentrate when we report a speech. Okay, reporting verbs, conjunctions, pronoun, tenses, adverbs. Okay, we need to change these things. Okay, so these things that we have to concentrate when we report a speech. Do you understand? Next, rules for changing direct into indirect. Okay, so the original tense, if it is present, simple present, okay, you need to report in simple past. For example, I am happy, you have to change into he said that he was happy. Do you understand? Next, present continuous, okay, you need to change into past continuous. He saw it, she said he had seen it. Next, present perfect, you have to change into past perfect. She has gone, you said she had gone. Simple past, past perfect. I am leaving. You said you were leaving. Okay, next, past continuous has to be changed into past perfect continuous. He was reading. He said he had been reading. Okay, this is an example. Can has to be changed into could, may, might, must, had, to, will, would. When the reporting or principal verb is in the past tense, all present tense of the direct are changed into the corresponding past tenses. Okay, for example, a simple present becomes a simple past. For example, he said, I am fine. Indirect, he said that he was fine. A present continuous becomes a past continuous. She said, my sister is learning Bharatanatyam. She said that her sister was learning Bharatanatyam. A present perfect becomes a past perfect. He said, I have won the match. Indirect, he said that he had won the match. The shall and the will of the future tense is changed into should and would. The simple past in the direct becomes a past perfect in the indirect. Okay, simple past has to be changed into past perfect. Okay, if it is past perfect, you need to remember had. Direct, she said the horse died in the night. She said that the horse had died in the night. The tenses may not change if the statement is universal truth. For example, the teacher said the earth goes round the sun. The teacher said the earth goes round the sun. If the reporting verb is in the present tense, the tenses of the direct speech do not change. For example, we may rewrite the above examples, putting the reporting verb in the present tense. He says he is fine. She has just said her sister is learning Bharatanatyam. He says he has won the match. Okay, so these are the examples. Next, words expressing nearness in time or place are generally changed into words expressing distances. Now has to be changed into then, here, there, ago, before, thus, so, today, that day. Tomorrow, the next day, yesterday, the day before, last night, the night before. Okay. The changes do not occur if the speech is reported during the same period or at the same place. For example, the prince said, it gives me great pleasure to be here this evening. Into indirect, the prince said that it gives him great pleasure to be here this evening. Okay. So, let's see the questions. In reporting questions, the indirect speech is introduced by some verbs are asked, inquired, whether or if. I told you have to change the conjunctions. Okay, the conjunction for question is if or whether. Okay, the reporting verbs is asked, inquired. You need to write like this. For example, he said to me, what are you doing? Indirect. He asked me what I was doing. Okay, you have to change the verb tenses. Next example, where do you live? As a stranger. Indirect, the stranger inquired where I lived. Direct, he said, will you attend the meeting? Indirect, he asked them whether they would attend the meeting. Okay, let's see, change the following into indirect speech. Okay, this is the first exercise of this grammar part. Let's see the exercise. What do you want? He said to her. Okay, so the answer is he asked her. This is question type, so you need to change the reporting verb said to has to be asked. He asked her what she wanted. Okay, want is presented, you have to change into past tense, so that is wanted. So he asked her what she wanted. Second one, he said, how is your father? This is a question, so this is question type. He inquired how his father was. The present tense into past tense. Are you coming home with me? He asked. He asked him whether he was coming home with him. Okay, are you coming? This is yes or no type question. So you need to add the conjunction whether or if. So he asked him whether he was coming home with him. The poor man exclaimed, will none of you help me? The poor man asked in despair. Okay, whether none of them would help him. Okay, will has to be changed into would. Okay, this are no type question. Don't you know the way home? Asked I. I asked whether he knew the way home. Okay, he knew the way home. Don't you know the way home? He knew the way home. Okay, this is yes or no type question. So you need to add the conjunctions. Next, commands and request. Okay, imperative type. Imperative type. This is imperative type. Command, request, orders. These are all imperative type. Okay. In reporting commands and requests, the indirect speech is introduced by some verbs as ordered, requested, commanded, shouted, urged, etc. For example, direct. Ram said to Arjun, go away. Okay. You need to add the conjunction is to. So Ram ordered Arjun to go away. Okay. Said to has to be changed into ordered. Okay. In imperative sentences. He said to him, please wait here till I return. He requested him to wait there till he returned. Okay, call the first witness, said the judge. The judge commanded them to call the first witness. Okay, he shouted, let me go. He shouted to them to let him go. Let's see the exercise. Change the following into indirect speech. Okay, first one. Bring me a glass of milk, said the Swami to the villagers. The Swami commanded the villagers to bring him a glass of milk. Okay, imperative. So we have to write the reporting verb into commanded. Sit down, boys, said the teacher. The teachers ordered the boys to sit down. Conjunction is to. Halt, shouted the officer to his men. Okay, the officer shouted to his men to halt. Take off your hat, the king said to the hatter. The king ordered the hatter to take off his hat. The teacher said to him, do not read so fast. The teacher commanded him not to read very fast. He said to me, wait until I come. He urged me to wait until he came. Hurry up, he said to his servant, do not waste time. He ordered his servant to hurry up and not to waste time. Okay, so don't has to be changed into not to. Run away, children, said their mother. Their mother urged the children to run away. He said, daughter, take my golden jug and fetch me some water from the well. He requested his daughter to take his golden jug and fetch him some water from the well. Okay, so this is imperative type. Okay, so in imperative you need to change the reporting verb such as ordered, requested, commanded, like that. Okay, you need to add the conjunction to. Okay, then you have to change the pronoun as we have to done in the direct into indirect speech. Change the following into direct speech. Okay, you need to change it. Naveen asked his father when the next letter would come. So we are going to change into direct speech. Naveen asked his father. Okay, so when you change into indirect into indirect, you need to put the quotation marks. Okay, don't forget to put the quotation marks. Naveen asked his father, when will the next letter come? I wrote that I would visit him next day. Okay, this is a question. So I wrote quotation marks, I will visit you tomorrow. Okay, I told them to be quiet. I said to them, be quiet. Okay, this is imperative type. Lakshman asked me if he had anything to say. He asked me, do you have anything to say? Next, an old mouse asked who would build the catch. An old mouse asked who will build the catch. Quotation marks. Next one, Mervyn said that he wanted to be a soldier. Mervyn said, I want to be a soldier. Elvin asked me what I wanted. He asked me, what do you want? Bhaigya said that she had been seen the picture. Bhagya said, I have seen this picture. Okay. The stranger asked Nasreen where she lived. The stranger asked Nasreen, where do you live? I asked Mary if she would lend me a pencil. I asked Mary, will you lend me a pencil? This is interrogative type. Okay. So